Hello, little explorers. Are you ready to dive into a world full of colors and numbers? Let's learn together and have some fun.
Now we take our orange clay and roll it into a perfect ball. Look how round and smooth it becomes. This is how we make a beautiful orange fruit. Red. Red clay transforms into a shiny apple. First we make a ball, then gently press the top to create that special apple shape. We add a tiny brown stem on top, that's where apples grow on trees.
Green.
Green clay becomes a fuzzy kiwi. We roll it into an oval shape. Kiwis aren't perfectly round like oranges. Now we add texture to make it look fuzzy on the outside, just like real kiwis from New Zealand.
Purple.
Purple clay makes beautiful grapes. We create lots of tiny balls and stick them together in a bunch. Count with me: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little grapes. Real grapes grow in bunches just like this.
Yellow.
Yellow clay transforms into a curved banana. Start with a long roll, then bend it into that special banana curve. Bananas are the only fruit that grows in this funny curved shape.